gentlemen, but I've once again been asked by the signalman to remain on the platform for 3 minutes before departure. 3 minutes before departure, we've got a bit of a gap behind us.
Chopsticks.
Eggs with chopsticks. Baked beans with chopsticks. Mushrooms are a little bit easier. Let's see. Have you ever had jam and toast with chopsticks? Top it off with cheese.
Departure time 11:40, final call. Now closing at gate 8:20.
Easy pass flight. These can be obtained from the duty-free bars.
On flights into Asia and Africa.
Just had a switch to video system once again, ladies and gentlemen, to start with. Got another very important video to show you. And this video gives details of in-flight exercises designed to enhance your well-being during our flight stay. We strongly recommend you take note of the contents of this video.